So I grew the hair out on my legs just for this video. Shh, just kidding, I'm single. Okay, let's just jump into my first Amazon favorite, shall we? Since I am wearing it, this is my favorite workout tank top, and it says fittish, and then it says definition, works out, but definitely likes donuts, and I don't know about y'all, but that is me to a T. I want to be fit and healthy, but I also love binging on junk food, especially when I'm sitting around watching Netflix or movies. It is lightweight and comfortable. I can definitely work out in it, sweat in it. It doesn't stick to me. The material is 97% cotton and 3% spandex. I've not had a problem with it shrinking in the dryer. And it also has this very cute twist back detail. Great for going out in after you worked out. You can go run to the store, run errands. It's just a great all-around tank top. I love it. Hi y'all, welcome. I'm Lindsay, just a single mom trying to raise 2 teenagers. I post weekly videos on a little bit of everything lifestyle, on a budget of course, because you get it. Single mom, 1 income. As always, all products mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below in case you decide to check any out. So my next Amazon favorite is this Ubezi selfie tripod with Bluetooth remote. Most people are on social media these days, and it doesn't really matter what your age is. Sometimes you just want a cute profile picture. You want to look nice on your page. So this really comes in handy. It does extend to 51 inches in height. The phone holder, where you slide your phone in, rotates. So you can, there's just a switch here, and it rotates so you can do portrait or landscape. So all you have to do with this, straight out of the box, is get the remote, and it does have a button for iOS and Android on it, so it works with both phones. You turn the switch on the side, connect it to your Bluetooth. You just insert your phone by pulling this out, and then all you do is get dressed up and snap away. So up next is this 3-in-1 wireless charger. If you're an Apple fan like me, you absolutely need this in your life. It does have 2 separate pieces, so if you just wanted to charge your phone, you could. They connect magnetically, so the point behind it is you only need 1 cord to charge 3 devices. You just take your Apple Watch and you wrap it around the base here, and it magnetically sticks. You take your AirPods and you clip them on the charger that is sitting on top, and then you take your phone and you stand it up on the base, and you've got all 3 of your devices charging at one time. So this next favorite of mine has to do with health and fitness, and it is this body tape measure. This thing is less than $5 and has been a lifesaver for me in trying to keep track of my body measurements while working out and trying to lose weight. You extend the tape, you wrap it around your body, and it has this thing you just clip into the other side of the tape, and there is a button on the top of it, and you press the button and it clips to your body, and then you can read off your measurement on the tape, so you get a perfect accurate measurement every time. So my next favorite product is this Renfro Bluetooth Smart Scale. I did a whole review on it. I will link the video in the description below, but this is my absolute favorite bathroom scale. It is not expensive at all to be a smart scale, and it comes with this Bluetooth app that syncs to your phone every time you weigh yourself. And this app gives you so much data if you're focused on health and fitness like I am. Not only does it give you your weight and BMI, it also gives you your body fat percentage, your fat-free body weight, your subcutaneous fat, your visceral fat, your body water, your skeletal muscle, your muscle mass, bone mass, protein, BMR, or how many calories it thinks your body burns in a day, and your metabolic age. This scale absolutely is the best bathroom health and fitness smart scale there is out there, and I've tested a lot. So I grew the hair out on my legs just for this video. Shh, just kidding, I'm single. So this is the Femiro Hard Wax Kit. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the wax warmer. It comes with 4 packs of the hard wax beads. small wax sticks, large wax sticks, and also the before and after spray treatment to treat your skin with. This has been an absolute lifesaver for me. I've tried the traditional wax with the strips in the past, and the way they work is the wax is sticky, so the strip sticks to the hair and pulls the hair off. The problem I always have with those is, one, you run out of strips before you run out of wax. They never give you enough strips in those packs. And the wax is sticky and tends to stick to my skin and just make a mess. With hard wax, you warm the wax beads, and once you apply the wax to your skin and let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds, it really doesn't take long, the wax really hardens, like really hardens, and then when you pull it off, it pulls the hair off. There's no strips, no mess, and it just comes off your skin. This has been an absolute lifesaver. My last two products are tech related. I will pop images up on the screen, but the first one is this new Takstar SGC 598 microphone I got for my camera. Just like everyone else, I watched videos online. They all said get a Rode microphone. I spent $100 on a Rode microphone, and the audio quality was terrible. It may have just not worked great with my camera, but it was absolutely terrible. I spent hours playing with editing software trying to make audio work for my videos, and I just couldn't. And I bought this cheap $25 microphone, and oh my god, it is just the best thing. I love it. It is my new favorite tech gadget at the moment for playing with my camera. I like photography and videography as a hobby, and it's just been my new favorite toy. And my last tech item is the tripod that my camera is standing on. Again, I will pop pictures up on the screen. To be a cheaper tripod, everybody says when you're getting camera gear, when you're getting into photography and taking up a hobby, that you need expensive tripods. They always recommend these like $200, $500 tripods. To be a cheap, like $60-ish tripod, this thing is so sturdy and it has so many functions. Not only does it extend or condense down so you can make it shorter or taller, it can be changed into a monopod. It has a leveler on it so you can tell if your camera is straight and level. It has a ball head so you can rotate your camera back and forth, and you can rotate it 360 degrees as well. If you're interested in checking out my review of the Renpho Bluetooth Smart Scale, don't forget, you can click somewhere on the screen. I will link it, and also in the description below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.